Auroville Ashram in Pondicherry, India. Auroville Ashram is an interesting establishment for the mind. Auroville endorses human unity and transformation of consciousness. Auroville is a universal township in the making for a population of up to 50,000 people from around the world. The purpose of Auroville is to realize human unity and diversity. Today Auroville is recognized as the first and only internationally endorsed ongoing experiment in human unity. Its transformation of consciousness, also concerned with and practically researching into sustainable living, and the future cultural, environmental, social, and spiritual needs of mankind. One of the interesting attraction here is Matra Mandir. Matra Mandir is dedicated to the Universal Mother, a presence or being that has been experienced and worshipped, under different names, in most cultures of the world since time immemorial. The mandir is an architectural masterpiece with a 30 meters high globe with a lotus-shaped foundation urn. Auroville town well planned and divided into various zones: industrial zone, international zone, peace area, cultural area, residential zone, and green belt. Green belt is a zone for organic farms, dairies, orchards, forests, and wildlife areas. This belt acts as a barrier against urban encroachment, provide a variety of habitats for wildlife, and serve as a source for food, timber, medicines, etc., and as a place for recreation. Subscribe and follow Tripspell for travel stories. Visit tripspell.com to plan your next trip.